Ever pondered over the mind-boggling mysteries of nature? Ever considered how these mysteries could propel us further into the future? From the depths of the ocean to the fluttering heights of a butterfly's flight, today's exploration unveils 7 recent scientific discoveries that have the potential to inspire advancements in medicine, technology, and environmental applications. Firstly, the octopus, a creature of intrigue, has inspired a novel drug delivery patch. Scientists have taken a cue from the octopus's suction cups to design this patch. The suction-like qualities allow for enhanced drug absorption through the skin, potentially revolutionizing the way we administer medication. Then we delve deeper into the ocean to find an unlikely hero, the sea cucumber. Its unique ability to change shape has inspired the creation of a shape-shifting robot. This adaptive technology holds promise for a myriad of applications, including search and rescue missions in challenging terrains. The third discovery takes us to the world of the caterpillar, specifically its venom. Proteins found in the venom could aid in targeted drug delivery, potentially making treatments more effective and reducing side effects. Moving on, we find ourselves amidst the hibernating bears. A protein in their blood that prevents clots during their long winter slumber could lead to advancements in preventing and treating human blood clot disorders. Next, we discover the crustacean's eye, in which reflective materials have been found. These materials provide camouflage for these creatures, and their replication could offer advancements in stealth technology. The penultimate discovery brings us to the monarch butterfly's wings. Scientists have found spots on these wings that provide extra lift during migration. This finding could inspire new aerodynamic designs, potentially transforming the aviation industry. Finally, the 7th discovery is the identification of a new state of matter, the topological superconductivity. This discovery is a leap forward in our understanding of quantum physics and could pave the way for quantum computing. In summary, these 7 discoveries, the octopus-inspired drug delivery patch, the sea cucumber-inspired shape-shifting robot, the proteins in caterpillar venom, the clot-preventing protein in hibernating bears, the reflective materials in crustaceans' eyes, the lift-enhancing spots on monarch butterflies' wings, and the new state of matter, have the potential to revolutionize various fields. They remind us that nature continues to be a source of inspiration and innovation, leading us into a future that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. The realm of science never ceases to amaze, and these discoveries are testament to that. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows, you might just be the next to uncover a world-changing discovery.